said, publicly at the time as CDC director that the public health interest of K through 12 was best served by keeping kids in face-to-face learning. I argued that taking them out of face-to-face learning was going to have very negative public health consequences. I got a big award in Baltimore from the Archdiocese of Baltimore because I worked with them to keep their schools open, and they kept their schools open, even though they were threatened by the public health community for doing so. I'm an aggressive person. I said when Governor Hogan, when this was going on, I called the governor and said, if Howard County Health Department wants to try to block the Catholic schools from staying open, get ready for a lawsuit because I'm going to help them with a lawsuit for separation of church and state for the freedom of religion to practice the way they want to. And that was on a Friday. And on Monday, they both withdrew their objections and the school stayed open. When they got their testing scores to see how they were doing 2 years afterwards, they had the highest scores they've ever had in math and English. And the public schools had the lowest scores they've ever had. So the loss was huge.